Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to sell USDT on Binance P2P, step by step, fully updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log in. Then tap P2P from the home screen, or go to More, then P2P Trading. Step 2. Make sure you're on the Sell tab, then select USDT as the crypto you want to sell. Step 3. Tap Transfer to move USDT from your spot wallet to your funding wallet, as P2P trades use the funding wallet. Step 4. Choose a buyer offer with a good rate and a verified profile. Check the payment method and trading limits before continuing. Step 5. Tap Sell USDT. Enter the amount and select your preferred payment method. Step 6. Once the buyer sends the money to your bank or mobile wallet, double-check your account to confirm the payment. Step 7. Tap Release Crypto only after receiving the funds. Binance will send the USDT to the buyer. Important tip: never release the USDT before you confirm that the money is in your account. And that's it. You've just sold USDT on Binance P2P. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step crypto guides.